Hi investor, welcome to the 6th Uncle Stock tutorial of our series, the screening process and investment ideas. This tutorial will be a little broader than the previous ones. The tutorial will continue upon the backtested result of tutorial 5 and we will cover how you can improve your yield using the basic screening process, use your saved screens and get new interesting investment ideas. But let us once again start with the basics first. What is the screening process? The screening process is a process where you start to use your search query to find a decent screen. After you find a screen, you can backtest its results to measure its effectiveness. After the backtesting results, you can further refine your screen to improve your overall investment yield. Depending on your adjustments, these incremental or substantial improvements can boost your yearly returns. If you want more information about a specific part of the process, I advise you to check our previous tutorials. In tutorial 4, you can learn how to search for new stocks and how you can use the Refine button. And in tutorial 5, you can find how you can backtest the screen. This continuous process allows you to improve your overall investment returns. You can also learn more about the individual stocks of the screen, as shown in the second and third tutorial of our series. Now let us open the site and continue upon the results of the backtesting tutorial. Let's say that we are happy with the current screen and that we would like to use it often in the future to find new stocks that match the defined criteria. Save our screen in the My Area section of the site. You can simply press the Save Query button to save our query. In this tutorial, we are going to make our query private, but it is also possible to share the results with other Uncle Stock users. We type a decent title for our tutorial, profitable companies, and make a description, basic query to search for big profitable companies. We can also check several boxes. These boxes are especially useful if you would like to share the query with other users. We made our first search query pretty basic, so it isn't quite necessary for us to check the boxes right now. Let us press the Save button now. It is now possible to return to our custom screen using the My Area button. If you're watching this series in the beginning, you may recognize this button because you can also see your custom watch list here and the description we gave it earlier. If you press on the screen, we get the exact same screen as before. So now it is possible to close the site and improve the query to use it to buy the best stocks possible. If you are new to Uncle Stock or if you're looking for some inspiration for your own investment screen, you can always check out the screens that other users shared or screens based upon famous investors. If we press on the Shared Queries button, we can see screens that other Uncle Stock users made in the past. These queries are ranked based upon their backtested annual yield. If we press the Make Query Visible for Other Users, then it will be also public for every other Uncle Stock user in this list. If we press the Suggestions button on top of the screen, we can also find another useful source of inspiration. In this section of the website, you can access screens based upon metrics of famous investors. In these screens, the ratios of these famous investors were put to the test. If you press on a screen of a famous investor, you get a list with the best stocks based upon their strategy. These investment screens are completely based upon the renowned investment methods and give you an insight in the decision process of their investment strategy. On the bottom of the list, you can also see the current portfolio of the founder of the Uncle Stock website and the current portfolio of Warren Buffett. So, that will be all for this tutorial on the screening process, saving results and investment ideas using the Uncle Stock screener. Hopefully, this tutorial was of good use to you and brought you a step closer to making the best investment decisions possible.